we're gonna start cross-handed like this. One hand on top, one hand under. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a pull. Pull, 2, 3. Okay, and then we'll just go right into like a little jump and down, and that should be 7. So I'm gonna do that in like sets of 3. So this will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and on my way to 12. This should be like 12. So that's set 1. Set 2, this is a nice jump too. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna toss it in the air like facing the end zone. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna let it go with my right hand, and I'm gonna pick it up. 10, 11, 12, and I'll kind of like stab myself under my arm, okay? And then I'm gonna have this arm, oh, you know what? Let's leave the arm down, because the arm will go big. 1, 2, 3, and catch it low. And then we're all gonna turn over our right shoulder, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like really, really low. And then we're gonna ripple from one side of the field to the other. I would guess from like stage, okay, from side 1 to side 2, and it'll just be a sight ripple, 9, 10, 11, 12, so really fast, and it's just gonna be like up and over. And musically, I know that you know what I'm talking about, but it's like this, like that. Then we're gonna do this. I'm gonna recommend you do this in 3 parts or 3 groups, and so they're all doing the same thing except for the 3rd group. Unless you just do it in 2 groups, then they all do the same thing. But this is that like ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da ba, but like that little part. And so they're all going to just go like up and down with kind of like a pivot, and go this way and turn around. So group 1 would be like 1 and group 2 would be on 4, and then group 3 would be on 7, 8, and then everybody would go 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, let's see here. 9, 10, 11, 12, and shoot it all the way out. So if that makes sense, that it will be in a kind of in a ripple. So, and I would stagger it, or I mean, I'm not quite sure how the drill is yet, but I would kind of stagger in all these different groups so that it's kind of happening kind of like popcorn all over the place, and then they'll all come together here. 9, 10, 11, shoot out 12. And then for this last big note, we're gonna go up like super slow with this 4 starch, like this 1, 2, 3, and then I've got it at an angle, but you could go like all the way straight up if you want for cleaning purposes. You can go like 1, 2, 3, doesn't matter to me. But then I'm just gonna drop it and take off my left hand. 4, 5, 6. There's a big note on 7, 7, 8. Oh, that might be 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, and then we're just going to just, I'm gonna grab it. That should be 10, 11, 12. Let me try that one more time. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I don't grab it. 10, 11, and 12. Did you get it, Marcus? So let me do the whole thing for you. So set 1. This would be